Let's memorize the nitrogenous bases for the Mcat. The pyrimidines and the purines. Starting with the pyrimidines, I remember it as cut the pie, where pi stands for pyrimidines, and cut are the nucleotides. We have cytosine, uracil, and thymine. For the purines, I remember it as pure as gold, where the A in as stands for adenine, and the G in gold stands for guanine. And gold reminds me of a pair of gold rings, which will be important for its structure having 2 rings opposed to pyrimidines' 1 ring. Starting with the purines, I remember it as pure as gold, and the gold with the 2 rings. So, we have our adenine and our guanine. And our adenine, I put it as add-ends, because adenine only has nitrogens in its structure, while guanine has an oxygen, the carbonyl group. So anytime I see any of these purines, if they're all ends, it's adenine. If there's an oxygen in there, it's guanine. For the pyrimidines, I remember as cut the pie. So our cytosine, since it only has 1 O, will have only 1 O oxygen in its structure. Thymine and uracil structures are very similar except for the methyl group coming off thymine. And the way to remember the methyl group on thymine is that the THY at the beginning of thymine is also in methyl at the end. So that's how we remember those structures. With uracil, I remember uracil as having 2 oxygens which form a U shape.